Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to the laboratory. Yeah, Canva just recently updated and launched a bunch of new features. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite ones and how they can be useful to us creatives. Everything you need will be listed in the description box below. And if you like this video and learn something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials.
So the first feature I want to talk about is Canva Assistant. And basically, Canva Assistant gives you recommendations based on what you're working on. So as you can see right now, my screen is blank. So if I was to hit Canva Assistant, it's going to ask me, prompt me to maybe I want to brainstorm some things or add some text. But if I went ahead and added an image, now it's going to give me some features that I can do with the image, magic eraser, magic edit, background mover, and then I can also hit show more and get some more options on what to do with the image. And it works the same way with text. So if I hit a T on my keyboard, it'll bring up a text box, and we're just going to type hello. And so now with the text added, when I hit Canva Assistant, now it's saying, do I want to summarize it, expand it, rewrite it, or edit it with magic? Right now, as you can see, all of these features do have the crown on the side, so it is a Canva Pro feature. If you don't have Canva Pro, I'll have a free 30-day trial for you in the description box of this video. But I can also add an effect, change the font, the size, and more. Speaking of effects, text effects, Canva has added a new text effect, which is outline. So you can do a cute little outline with your text. You can change the color and change the thickness as well. And of course, another feature would be magic edit. So to get to, magic eraser. So to get to magic eraser, we're going to go ahead and select the image and hit Canva Assistant again. And it's going to pop up right here. Now, magic eraser basically allows you to remove unwanted things from your image. So say I love this image, right? But maybe I don't want these drips. So you're just going to kind of brush over what you don't want. And as long as you hold your mouse down, you can keep brushing. But as soon as you let your mouse go, that's when it actually starts editing, working on the image to remove it. And now the drips are gone. And, I can remove, let's remove this one. And you can go over here and you can make the brush bigger or you can make it smaller, just depending on what you want to do or how detailed you want to be. And you see, it's gone. And then once you're done erasing what you want, you just go ahead and hit that back button and there you have it. Now, if you use Magic Eraser and you want to use Magic Edit, everything you just did will be undone, right? Because they're basically the same thing, except Magic Edit allows you to change or add things to your design, and Magic Eraser you just erase things from your design. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Magic Eraser, and as you can see, everything we removed is back again. But Magic Edit is pretty much the same principle. You'll just hover over what you want to change. So let's make our brush bigger because maybe let's try and change this cloud to maybe from sitting on a cloud to riding on a rocket ship. So this still is in beta mode, so I'm not sure how great it'll be, but let's give it a try. So now we're going to type in, what do I want to generate in the brush area? A rocket ship or a space ship. And let's hit generate and see what happens. Okay, so I'm not really sure what our first option is, but this option looks really good. Okay, so I see they did it in the shape of the cloud, so maybe I should have just brushed out the area more. But I mean, this is pretty cool. I erased the cloud, and I think maybe this might be the best option. So that's actually pretty cool. So that's how Magic Edit works. So I don't actually want that, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. So the next feature I want to talk to you about is layers, which I know everybody is excited about because that's something we've been wanting from Canva for a long time. So let's play around with that. So let me just grab a few more images and let's just make this our background. And let's just grab this guy as well. So I have my images. So now what I'm going to do is just select one and going to right click. And right here it says layer. And we're going to hit show layers. So basically this is everything that's on the screen. So these are all the images on our page, and this is our background layer, and this is the only one that can't be moved, okay? But anything else can be kind of dragged and moved around. So another feature that I want to talk to you about is gradients. So let me just go ahead and delete everything because I think we're kind of done with this. Okay, so gradients. So I'm starting off with the white background, and I'm going to go over here to the colors. And you can either hit document colors, or they have some preset gradients down here. This is my favorite one to use. If you follow me on Instagram, I know you've seen it a million times. Or we can go to document colors and you can add a color. You'll go to solid color, and let's say, let's do some green, right? I have this green, and you go to gradient, and you have the light green and the dark green, right? And you can add more, take this away, and of course you can use the sliding scale, or you can enter the custom color code, or if you just don't want this at all, you can delete it. And then you can change the style of it, you know, the way that the gradient appears. So that's just, I really love this feature. Like I said, when I do my Instagram posts, y'all gonna be seeing that all the time. Okay, and not only does the gradients work on, you know, like this background or things like that, it also works on shapes and frames. So if I hit that R on my keyboard, it's going to bring up this square. So I can, you know, if you can change the color of your square, right? So let me show you just in case you don't know. So you would select the square, go up here to the top toolbar where it says color, and you'll click it. And then that's where you can go and change it to a gradient. You can do it with the preset gradients that they have, or of course you can go up here and create your own. So that's a super cool feature, and you can add multiple colors. I'm not sure exactly how many you can have, but I did it to like 7 colors, and it was still letting me add some. So you can have, but you don't want to overdo it. You don't need all those colors, honestly. But yeah, and then again, you can change the style of how it's presented. So that's super cool. And even if you click out, like say I hit the R on my keyboard again and get another square, every gradient you made during this document will be saved up here. Okay, but if I exit out this document and open up another one, it won't be there. But so in case you accidentally delete it or change it and want to come back to it, it'll be up there. And also, like I said, it works for canvas frames. So we can go to elements, and then we'll just scroll until we find a frame. Here's a little circle frame. I can go ahead and highlight the frame, go up to the colors, and make that a gradient as well. See? And I can change the style of it too. And also, the shapes, the shape that we did, it works for all the shapes. So if this is the square, I can hit the shapes, and you know, it'll change the gradient to go with the shapes as well. So yes, that's a super cool feature. And another feature that I'm super excited about, and if you do any sublimation or you've watched any of my sublimation design projects, you know about this, is the guides and rulers. So normally the old way, you would have to come to file and hit show guides and rulers, right? Oops, sorry, I just took it off. I already had it on. And you would just pull out your guides from there, right? And drag and drop however many you needed. Now we don't have to do all that. So I'm just put those back. I can go to File, View Settings, Add Guides, and Canva has some preset guides already, right? And then so they have their preset ones, and you can also do a custom one. So let's say I wanted 2 rows and 2 columns, and then you can put in how far away you want them and everything. And then I have my add guides, and look, it's already there. And then if I want to take them away, I can just hit clear guides. And you can also do this on mobile. You can use the guides and rulers on mobile. So that's, if you're designing on your phone or whatnot, that's a really cool feature. So yeah, Canva has changed a lot, and this video really just only scratched the surface. So if you really want to know the ins and outs of Canva, sign up for my email list. I have a Canva class coming out. So if you want to stay updated, learn the real tips and tricks of Canva, join my email list so you can be notified when that drops. And of course, I'll have the link for the free 30-day Canva Pro trial in the description box of my bio, as well as the link to my website where you can go ahead and join the email list. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.